Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why Hitler chose the swastika. Adolf Hitler formally adopted the swastika for the Nazi Party in 1920. He personally designed the Nazi flag, combining the swastika with the colors red, white, and black from the old German imperial flag. This powerful symbol was meant to represent the Nazi movement's struggle and its core ideology. Before its appropriation by the Nazis, the swastika was a widely recognized symbol with a rich history. Dating back over 7,000 years, it appeared in numerous cultures globally, from ancient India to Europe. It traditionally represented positive concepts like good fortune, well-being, and prosperity. Its resurgence in modern Europe was partly due to archaeological discoveries, such as Heinrich Schliemann's findings at the site of ancient Troy. Hitler's choice of the swastika was deeply rooted in his racist ideology. He falsely linked the symbol to a supposed Aryan race, which he believed represented pure Germanic ancestry. For him, the swastika became a powerful emblem of Aryan dominance and a master race. This appropriation was a deliberate effort to promote racial purification and intense German nationalist pride, twisting its ancient meanings for his hateful agenda. The Nazi Party's adoption forever corrupted the swastika's original positive meanings. It became an indelible symbol of hatred, fascism, and the horrific atrocities of World War II, including the Holocaust. Today, its public display is banned or heavily restricted in many countries due to its association with such immense suffering. Remember to check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.